So let me see what's on the deck for today. Today's Wednesday. So we have service now tonight. Yeah, I like this. I'm going to probably add to my QuantumScape tonight if we just hold this lower. Service now, EW, Ford. It's kind of been on the ups. Twilio, TWLO. That should be. That looks like a lot lower highs to me. Wow, I like this short a lot. This feels like so this is the weekly TWLO Twilio. So kind of this looks like the guiding double top. This whole thing kind of looks like a bit of a descending pattern, and you look like you need to retest these lows. You know, you could still go back up here, but this looks pretty good. Yeah, I like this short. So it looks like you've got this head and shoulders in this pattern. This kind of looks like a rounding top here. And with all these lows, you need to retest these lows. So I like this a lot. TWLO. Let's check that out. Let me just survey what's going on here. 24.9. So we got 2380 in QuantumScape as a low. Roblox hanging around. Hood is under 35. 3M. Fuck. Getting buried. ME. I'm also short these. I'm long these puts in AMC. TWLO. 355. I'm sure they'll be very expensive. Yeah. $10 for the three. So you got to short the stock. Just going to make a note to do that. So TWLO. eBay is on deck. ALGN. Wow, that looks like it wants to go lower too. ALGN. Xilinx. Making new highs. CTSH. I think that was on my screen a long time ago. Nothing. Teladoc. Yeah, I think you want to be short this. TDOC. This was on the list. And, you know, again, you just wait for this thing to exhaust itself. And it looks like you have all of these key reversals here. So TDOC. 30. Where's Roblox? 82. TDOC. So we're at 139. Pretty expensive. Yeah, I would definitely short the stock here. I usually wait till the right up until the close to do these earnings plays, but this thing looks like it's already going. Yeah, I like this a lot. A lot. So this was on my list a while ago, and then it just, you know, banged off the bottom, like Zoom and Peloton, what have you, but it still looks like it's going to go lower. I mean, this Head and Shoulders, this whole thing's a downtrend. On the weekly, it's a huge downtrend. And so basically, yeah, this thing is poised. And then you have these key reversals right here pointing lower. So I do think that it takes out this little area here. It's about 132 or something. So yeah, I think you could get short here with a, well, you can't contain your risk in the aftermarket. So I think it's a very small risk for a very healthy return. I may just step in there and buy some now or try and short some now. Teladoc. So yeah, some very good choices tonight. Where is QuantEscape? Roblox is now under 82. So it looks like I might have caught those call puts in a good place. That's what I'm talking about, trying to find something where it explodes in a counter trend way and you can catch it at a good place. And now my risk is much smaller, even if it, you know, goes higher now. AMC is drifting under 36. I got those puts. All right, Moderna, if it gets to 341, I think it could go lower too. There's so many freaking plays to do here. Just looking anything else that catches my eye for tonight. Well, I like Teladoc. To me, that seems like a no-brainer. God, there's pages and pages of companies tonight. It's 20% of the S&P this week. So I'm just looking for the low-hanging fruit here. Just tons. I'm going through this pretty quickly. I just like those Twilio and, wow, this looks iRobot. This thing's going to go off the boil pretty soon too. Wow. Looks like there's no risk in being short that. Wow. IRBT. That thing has got nowhere to go but lower. Wow, there's just tons of companies here. I'm just going through really quick. I've got enough. Twilio, Teladoc, this iRobot. These look like really good. Twilio, I would put in the least category. Teladoc and this iRobot look excellent candidates. All right, let me quickly look about what's going on tomorrow morning. As if there wasn't enough. We got MasterCard, Shopify. That looks very vulnerable to move lower. SHOT, Sony, AMT, Caterpillar tomorrow. Huh. Yeah, this thing looks like it wants to move lower. Starbucks tomorrow night. Northrop Grumman, God, just tons and tons. Yum Brands. Well, 6 pages tomorrow. Checkpoint, CHKP. Thing looks like it wants to come off too. So I think that's enough. Makes my head swim. Just check out this iRobot situation here. 79 bucks. Wow, very expensive puts. Too expensive. Roblox. So not a whole lot of action today. I like this Teladoc. TDOC. You know, I try and play devil's advocate, and I just the only, you know, and I try and, you know, so, you know, this is what we were looking at weeks ago. This looks like it's created this nice head and shoulders, and then it just found a bit along here. But then I, you know, kind of try and say, okay, you know, how do I see the bar? You know, do I see that? It just kind of, I don't know if we're going to break this. I'm going to see how we close today, but I'll probably try shorting it either way.
So you can see, yeah, 45, it's 1.3 million.
$1.3 million short.
So pop out a profit for 118,000 there.
So you can see how this is going crazy now. You can see how the market just going nuts.
I bet like $1.6 million on this position. I'm showing right now $23,000 gain.